We have received many requests on how to swap a motherboard from a broken iPhone XS Max to a good body. This is a quick and easy tutorial on how to do so.
These are the basic tools needed for this repair. We repeated the steps on the other phone in case you missed anything. We are going to start off by turning off the device. Remove the 2 Pentalobe screws on the bottom of the iPhone. Heat the sides of the LCD to soften the adhesive so it could pry out easily. Be careful not to add too much heat and burn the LCD. Be very careful not to rip the flex. Remove the screws to get access to the battery and LCD flex. Disconnect the battery connector before you get started working on the device. Now start removing the flex. Be very careful not to damage the connectors. Gold pins on the connectors are very fragile. You can also use your fingernails to gently remove the flex. Now remove the screws. Remember to remove the SIM tray. Motherboard or SIM card reader can get damaged if attempted to remove while still on. Remove the remaining of the flex. Gently start removing the motherboard. There are 2 flex on the top that still needs to be disconnected. The front camera Face ID needs to be removed. If not, the Face ID recognition would not work. Be very careful not to rip this flex because a replacement part would not work. Heat the back of the housing to soften the adhesive. Gently lift the battery to get the flex out from under the battery. Heat again if necessary. We are repeating the steps on the other phone in case you missed any steps. Let's put the motherboard back into the good housing. Make sure that all the flex are on the top and none is left on the bottom of the board. Lift the battery and gently install the front camera Face ID that came with the board. Reconnect all the flex. Double check all the connectors to make sure they are connected properly. Sit the front camera Face ID properly into the new housing. Put all the screws back on the board. Make sure you secure all your connectors. Close the LCD into the housing and finally put the two Pentalobe screws back on. Test and make sure everything works. Now you have successfully swapped the motherboard from a broken phone to a new body. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. We are going to post many more tutorials into this channel. Bye!